By default, when you install Google Chrome on your device, this button is not available. It is hidden. So in today's video, I want to show you how to enable this button, this home button on your Google Chrome browser, and even customize it for a particular website. This can be done within 30 seconds. So make sure you have a Google Chrome browser installed on your device. Click on this three line here, then scroll down to settings, click on it. At this site, locate and click on appearance. Once you click on appearance, locate a button that says show home button, this button. Click on this button to make it enable. Once you click on it, immediately you see that this button pop-ups here. So each time you click on this button, it opens a new page. But you can as well customize it. But let's click on this button and see if it's going to open a new page for us. So a page has been opened for us. Now you can customize this to another page so that each time you click on this button, a new page will open. So for here, let's type in facebook.com. So now that I've entered the name of the website you want to enable here, so each time you come to this place and you just click on this button, it's going to open the particular website you've customized it to. Guys, this is a very good feature that you can try on your own. That's all. If you're able to do this, let me know in the comment section. But don't forget to like and even subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. See you soon guys on our next video.